How to deposit money in Bybit. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can deposit money on Bybit. You can do this on the Bybit app, or you can also open up any web browser and head over to bybit.com. Whether it is the mobile application or the website, make sure to sign into your account and also to verify your account. If your account is not verified, you will not be able to deposit the money. Now, what you want to do here is click on the buy crypto option, and from there, you will find fiat deposit and crypto deposit. If you want to deposit crypto from another exchange, click on crypto deposit. And if you want to deposit your euros or dollars or another currency, click on the fiat deposit option. If you select fiat deposit, you will first of all have to enter the amount. So you will have to enter between 10 to 20,000 euros. Go ahead and enter the amount and also select the currency. And then you can also select your payment method. So select whichever payment method you want and then check the box that says you accept the terms and conditions, and now tap on the continue option. Then you will have to fill up your payment details and click on the next option. Once your payment has been confirmed, you will be able to deposit money in Bybit, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.